Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic automatic 3008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, you get full LED headlights, black roof, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got half leather interior. The touchscreen features sat-nav as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. So on top of this you get speed limit recognition, there's smartphone charging plate, dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got an 8-speed automatic gearbox. It's done under 12,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Persia in Taunton. Thank you.